You will learn how to generate and download the full backup of your Plesk account. Log into your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, click on the Backup Manager icon. If you have generated a backup earlier, it shows here. Now click on the Backup option to create the backup. We wish to make a full backup, click on the Options button Full. We want a notification email on the completion of the backup task. Click to check the box for the notification email. The notification email will be received at the given email address. You may change the email address if you want to use another email account. Now click OK. It may take some time to generate the backup depending on the size of the files. The backup has been generated. To download the generated backup on your local machine, click on the download arrow icon. It is recommended that we use password protection for the generated backup. If anyone opens the backup file, it will ask for the password. If you don't want to use password protection, click to uncheck this box. Otherwise, enter the password in the password input boxes and then click OK. Then click to save the file. The backup has been downloaded to our local machine. Thank you for watching.